oyo for back or check be the outcome no and how about frano crano they say the state more what you hope doing next my entry and come oye babunu so we colleges of education be onso apply one san can message kokoro no a me de to so no bi ne baaye e de ma wa not feeling it to say. And how would you move forward from now? Normal saying na offer normal from now onward. Yenin komo na yenhwe. Menim say right now empening for 80 to advise themselves on how the youth feel is pa. Enti mo apply ya na mo pese mo check so a akwanya no entumi anya yi no aha ma yente wonka na ma yehu how it looks like, how you are feeling if you do a watena fie ene sede emutie ankasa ma yentwetwe nkomo 03220 83581 83582 83583 03220 83581 83582 83583. Also, how many times can I check a portal? No, it so much check it 2, 3 times, 4 times. How much did you spend? I was say we check it results. Now outcome there to saying my entry come. I'm sure serial caller be amfre. We a serial caller on ka home. Minim say wo ba wo baby bia or no so echo check be but currently because we a serial caller nti Mayor bias kakra, I will not allow you. Say NDC, MPP, Syria callers, you are not part of this process. Many are will be any or more check ya no more pay recruitment now monsan cano entry and como auto say oh check it then and aba. What are you doing next? My entry train como 03220 83581 83582 83583 na entry train and como call abia ba line as one. Hello. Okay, yemfa first caller. Hello.
Nhyira fan
03220 83581 83582 83583 apply for recruitment in be teacher e no na parents oba apply bia me entwetwe nkomo but of course I said no serial caller fache me modu brebeba. Hello. Yes please. Good morning. Within your free
yes I'm Obed me free
okay Obed wo ana say oba na wan na check here
awokwa me ha
wo a
college of education yeah
okay who we school eh
Akokare college of education
Akokare okay na my hu the starting bra ye be recruitment portal no e de besi bra wo check here no what was the outcome
awokwa you see a portal no how to access the portal no kwa na very difficult. We see from 12 a.m. midnight, if we see an okay, and that. Oh, I said, people can invalid, so it's me my application, no, I'm not successful. And just to my outcome. What I need here, with this year, we're studying Kaka, no. We are 40,000. I'm on my support and down, say, if I apply the doors into out of 40,000, almost 7,000.
Nhyira fan.
Enti wo de no unyae ana wanya.
Menya omodi update ne ba say enko portal no so na enko check say yes fire na ya fire no go to on that test look at it twice
50 cedis. Wow. You check it twice.
And sana but may unsuccessful applicant.
Wow. But how is life home and how do you plan going forward?
I hope I me no can see ya me to okada mo na mapaki.
Uchi okada currently.
Uchi okada and after we obi timu ko make up but my gina say me was me no kasa. Enye easy your police say no mo ati so ofie. Ya post for you. Yenya post omo mo tina tie ye adwuma ne tina adwuma no. Sisi omo ye omo sa no adwuma okwa ye adwuma won kwa ti to obeje won no ya for 4 years after next 1 year I service aka ho na aban ni mpeki en edi am I mo tabi na
Right, Obed. Thank you very much. I'm sad this morning. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Minua Babeni.
Oh, maybe Kukua.
Kukua okasa free.
Koforidia.
Kofodia. Kukua okahombi.
I try mechanic.
Right from time I'm apply for recruitment, ABC Bramo checky. How is the experience?
I dream and me at 2 1 surgery. Never see us a so there could be a surgery in a red message. Into yet I am
Wow.
in
What if you how many years?
After 6 years.
6 years.
2020.
Wow. Auntie, Mona moye last batch for diploma, right?
After that.
Okay. Degree, no? Okay.
For Winneba campus.
Winneba campus. Okay. So from the university. Wow. Now, why you unsuccessful? No. How are you planning to live life from now?
No, correct. I'll be trying to do medicine. Maybe business. I'm miniature. Maybe teaching because as I feel here, people are making here. I'm 18,000. I'm 20,000. I'm in the time we have put out the idea. Maintaining a plan. Yeah, me and I'm yeah, family. My human the mother of
And Ebane say I need more of your experience. How are you surviving?
I have some I don't fully appreciate the boy. No one near me and I'll be there. Too much. I don't to be your Yama no anymore.
Nhyira fan.
Wow. Kukua, thank you very much, Anope. Yaminka.
Hello.
All right, hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Okay.
Na me pasa ubisa omo ma me say sika no omo check here omo tua no uko check na ma na asiegu no sika na e ko hefa
Anope mebisa Haruna Idrisu
na chese no akoye obi business you I ni pa 40,000 e mu 33,000 so omo ko check na say omo anya 25 37,000 with them multiply never so billions of dollars ko obi account to my business one kind of company for so one strategy so one mini so one it was what
all right mensumeda CP for next caller hello my main fan is come now see who say very sad very sad hello
good morning acha frame
Kwame Uzu. Who apply be?
Jackson College of Education.
Jackson College of Education. Okay.
2018.
Okay. Kwame, application no fire process anymore. Free bra you better dry in April no. Say na net ye dey na mo ye ya bi si ne.
Omo bie tum no. Okọ na ntimi nkọ. Nti e bia gise bia me de ne say me ye na ahoma che kakra.
Okay.
Ana me ye na etimi ego through but otakia na emma so ntimi ya bi be ka say otua double payment me tua 3
enti
75 cedi.
Okay enti mami misao initial application no amode pay adwuma no saa time no de na ye free
e ba try
ena e ba ye ya yese mo nko cheki eye enanu ye de eno ye 25 cedis
me ba try
and 2 years, don't we say?
If I try me call 3 times and sana, you will not see me unsuccessful applicant.
And there's 75 cities.
Me pacho yes.
I don't know who machine no so ana said the koi.
Oh, we are not intimi me. The Ghana system, no, they be an idea, say a networking, but they be an any pan after that at 2 number, dear, no. What 2 muna wouldn't be uncle. Sana, when you see, I media, my imaginary Sanyama, a infant say, I buy a Juma some teaching, no. See, I me, you could. Or if you quite new captain, me follow Namishina Catra. Anna, the bit to say at the palm so many them who will them. Macy for so quite man upon woman to me, Eddie who them. Tim Sade, Tanya ma Ghana, you will buy me bed, you must say Bandia, Massa, ye are behind a day, a flimu. Because you was a Ghana penny for no more unit, a Dutch in you to know. Yes, I that young men so make or war, me bahu betchereno. Me bahu betchereno, because and my bet you crana, Nanke, you try who crana. A bibaya or some day a taxi at Toso because we won't create a Juma or be a create Juma and the answer she ain't been a cracker. So when she penny for one passage a back where any moon into Medawa say, Nhyira.
Amen. Menso Meda sepa. Hello.
Hello. Member, because every boy say.
Okay.
On the nursing in your coy.
Say many a teacher for no. One day number. Inti member. Actually, is a nurse for any day, but we'll talk about it. Mr. Next caller. Hello. I'm in for 2 more calls. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Udi. Hello.
Me yamano.
O yere de na ayemano. Hwan na ka say? My next caller. Hello. Hello.
Akugwa.
Minia.
Did Mama Lenda to
What did they say?
Mama Lenda to
Mama Linda, ode wana obane kwa apply na hwan? Hello?
Hello?
Why is the line too bad? Hello?
Akoko, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Abu.
All right, Abu.
Akoko, manage Jumedia within one of pay home. But Nyampesen Bisson say, I shall see an also wedi present Hoyao. Say, while far on employment, no man, so be free. Also, a traffic 8 years, 8 years, and they are wire pencil. And not traffic, you know. And I don't know more kind of fun after we buy no.
Abrante. You see, the reason why Menkasa Yimino I didn't mention MPP Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is that Aban Eyentuaso and you gave a promise to deliver. And you was some and a yejina to say how far. And so don't bring in Anuntina Ghana for Kotu Abano. Do you remember? And when we reduce it, you're reducing it. You see, because it's all about politics. These are youth in the Omo Kenkrenya Omobo. So Bekache Mampeni to me kura say Mampeni de kwe de mobo enti you don't share, but rather you are coming to remind us of Obi Mami ewu ekomode na abeka nso wonko amusie yenko frɛ ne ma memra no mema na aduane ni. Is that what you want to say? Yeah, mo wan hwe abeka de yenka. Hello.
Akugwa.
Minia.
Mama Lenda Masaba.
Okay.
Akugwa na so any ayedo. The can't say that and say our home country is not much in that side. What? Now, program, yes, I know. So, I didn't support you to us.
Oh, say,
me say, me and me free. The can't send your radio, not the men say, yeah, home country of my chance and that side.
Right.
But that, any of my country, what to say about what?
Dear, he. No, I'm not talking about listeners. Me talking about omoye sa politics bibia na dey politics no. If you think logically, fa bibia anya politics.
those the kata and Kenya choir Kenya Kora. One way politician fine. What can I say? Who is what man said more ha? What
maybe let me ask you a simple question. Let me ask you a simple question. Asemwa oka yesisi anu a original sa recruitment iso ne omo mudi kan kasa ye no omo ha wo mudi tu dwa no ene no ebra ben na wobo
akoko afa wobo mi se recruitment me no pa se no pra na me fra it me back up e fa once me no ka se me ndi ba me nya ne policy
o ya ndisi ni
very clear and I'm person here the me mom so be free matter to situation and nipa na ba bi o ba no so ya this now see what why do more ha.
You see, this is why I don't entertain serial callers. That is it. Say me ma serial caller and free on pertinent issues who here ye pa, because it will resort to MPP NDC. I don't want that. I want people's experience. Me pe omo experience. Omo go through the situation. Who omo bia. Me nyi say obekasa say. And now indeed u baby so fast say ya. You won't talk the way you are talking. Ebi a wo de why fortunate when your protocol be, that is fine. Yenye serious. Ebi a we NDC ni as you are talking to what me afre Haruna Idris, what me afre will be when your protocol, that is fine with you. But we are concerned about the people and you come to rubbish everything. I know the international issue my own yenisa. Debbie, and that is why we are moderating the show. If I feel say I've said something that is wrong, I will come and pull it back honorably. But you don't come first of all. Or say me can den the etwemu no. Teacher recruitment me can den the etwemu no. Sabre no. And you don't remember what we did to Nanado Danko Ekufuado. In Nhyira FM krani yesi ye NDC station. In Ashanti region Nhyira FM. Me ne na jantu atia yesi ye NDC station. And not yet, because it's your government, and we shouldn't talk about it. But we should think about 8 years ago. I didn't think 2023, 2022, 2024. Now yen kase 2016. But ni born another down kwa kutu aduti. Nanki yen can say 2016 no. Dear Mahama ye no na dear be resi. Abayen tuaswo. You have the responsibility. Next caller, hello.
Akukwa.
Minia.
Bako dia.
Adom nempa ibo me hoye.
Bako.
Oye serial caller na.
Bako. Akukwa.
Oye serial caller.
Me yere dia.
Debbie, me entertain serial callers. Oye teacher ni wo kwa apply. Ana ordinary parent, ordinary Ghanaians na me no mo kasa nei. I'll pick the serial callers in due time. Sabre de nye serial callers asem. Enti ubetumi afre na ye ntwetwe nkomo. Hello.
Hello akukwa.
Minia.
Akukwa na manu duka me kasa ni ntini ankasa.
Ai kasa ma me minia.
Eya say ya papa two callers no ma face see ano because the government in power no defend the war. It is very sad. It is very sad. For a direct affected person na one kasa na oka. 2023 you our son Kenya within 2025. You know what demonstrate the idea and what be a porter so porter no one kasa has a business that the cashier says there is a I need to 20% Kesika wire strategy your home 10 billion and what you do there I won't find ever 40,000 who has to this 10,000 our home 33,000 825 825,000 Ghana 8.2 billion so I get you now also want metradi no hono enye yeah amukwa me ti wono no ma me papa ni na free mo me bre ansa na me bre ni amodi ani na me ko tini slejeji bibia na me petisanka iye ya me nya bibia tere me na kakra me ji na wona ma e na nkra ni bi ka say adeda de input you aden e de bani ni
Monkafra. I think if they were part, they will understand your pain. Mamin Fencia. My name is Bibia Bay fine. Bibia Bay fine. Kwamna?
Kofi.
Yam Fencia.
And one another canoe. Say, make